This short video demonstrates how to sign up to the service. Just some quick things to point out. The site is completely anonymous and it is secure, as denoted by the padlock and the word secure in the address bar. Now, when signing up to Clinirate, you have two options. The first is that you are an existing user. Then you can enter your details and log in. If, however, you are new to Clinirate, then you need to press the option, I would like to register a new account. So let's go ahead and press it. This brings up a dialog box within which you are required to enter some details. Now, we want to be clear that your personal details are only used for the purposes of verifying who you are. At no point are your personal or professional details revealed to any user of the platform or any third-party individual or organization. We may use your professional details only to observe trends for the purposes of understanding culture within an organization better, but again, these will be completely anonymized. So let's go ahead and complete these details. We're going to make a test account for the purposes of this tutorial. So the first name is Clinirate. And the surname is Demo. When we get to the email account, you will note that you can only register under an official healthcare domain. The reason for this is to ensure that the site is only used by healthcare professionals and that we have a robust verification process. Just a note here, be sure not to enter the domain in the text field, otherwise the system will not recognize the email. The domain must be selected from the drop-down box. So let's go ahead and add an email, Clinirate demo. So people may be tempted to put at doctors.org.uk, but when you submit this email won't go anywhere because it will use this domain and this domain together. So you have to pick the domain from the drop-down box. So we'll leave that as at doctors.org.uk. In terms of adding a picture, this is completely optional. All that will happen if you select a picture is that on your personal dashboard and nowhere else will it replace the standard avatar with your picture. Now onto the professional details. You need to select your profession, so we'll pick doctor, what grade you are, let's say post-CT fellow, and which hospital you work at. Let's pick Croydon University Hospital. And then you're required to enter a password. Now the password can be whatever you want it to be, but it is better to obviously keep a password that others can't guess too easily. But for the purposes of this demo, we'll use password as so. So once that is done, you can press the submit button. And once you've pressed the submit button, you will see a notification that you will shortly receive an email to verify that you've created an account. Please note that you will not be able to access the account until you have verified it from the email that you registered with. Once you have verified it, you will be able to access your account from the login page again.